Hey honey, I got rude. I got these and I want to try them with you guys. They are 5-minute hydro gels for under your eyes. But anytime perk me up. Ooh. The directions say to apply, take 5, and go. What if I want to apply, take 5, and stay? Place 1 pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye area for 5 minutes or longer if desired. Discard after use and massage remaining serum onto skin. Alright, well I think they're that shape. Bear with me while I don't use your teeth as tools. Shouldn't do that. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? That's not a good hiding spot. Oh gosh, that was scary. Alright, okay, I'm back. I pulled these out of here. It just opened real easy at the top. I'm guessing that's what those are. So we'll open them up. Okay, here's one. Oh, they're very thin. They're very thin. It's like a fish. Oh God, wait. I need an assistant. It's cold and it doesn't have a very overpowering smell. There's a little tiny hint of a smell, but it's not bad at all. I'm gonna take 5 and see what Rich Lux has to say on YouTube. And then I'll take these off and keep watching YouTube. Just look at it again. Oh, thank you. Let's not eat the extension cord. It's a bit chasing me. took this one off already, but it just comes off so easily, and they're just gel. They're so, wow. Can you tell a difference? I think I can tell a difference. To be fair though, it could very possibly be because I used the L'Oreal Revitalift Secret Cream and the Olay 7 Effects. I don't know if I said those words in the right order. I haven't had enough coffee yet. If you haven't watched the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collabs, there will be links below. You do need to know about these. They've earned an hour of everyone's time to just sit there and get just a glimpse into their lives. So I think you should watch it. Hey, that feels so good. I feel so moisturized. I really don't think I'm going to put anything on, at least not anytime real soon. I don't really need it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. I won't always talk about makeup or face masks or cats or Shane Dawson or Jeffree Star, but it's probably going to be some combination of a lot of those things, with coffee thrown in every now and then, and a few things that's going on in my life. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll let you go to the next video.